Hello guys, today we are going to see 6 different ways to take screenshots on a Microsoft Windows 11 PC. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to all, so you can get notification for every video we upload. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Method number 1, using the print screen key. Press the print screen key and it will capture the entire screen. Method number 2, using the print screen for full screen. Press Windows plus print screen and it will capture full screen and save as file. Method number 3, using the print screen for the active window. Press Alt plus print screen and it will capture the active window. Method number 4, Snipping Tool. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. The Snipping Tool will open for custom screenshots. Then select the area you want as a screenshot. Method number 5, using Game Bar Screen Capture. Press Windows plus G, then click the camera icon. The game bar will capture screenshots in games. Method number 6, for tablets or 2-in-1 devices. Press Windows plus volume down button. It will capture screenshots in tablets or 2-in-1 devices. That's it. These are the 6 methods by which you can take screenshots on a Microsoft Windows 11 PC. So, if you find these different solutions helpful, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are not in the know. You can also suggest what topics we should make videos on in the comment section. Also, follow us on social media. The links are in the description and in the channel's About section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.